If I lost everything tomorrow, no audience, no email list, no product, and I had to make my first $1,000 online in 2025, I wouldn't build a course. I wouldn't start a YouTube channel. And I definitely would not be trying to go viral. Here's what I'd do instead. I'd build a strong digital product, and then I'd create an affiliate program around it. Why? Because one of the smartest ways to make money online is letting other people sell your products for you. Most people only think about joining affiliate programs, and that's fine. Affiliate marketing is a brilliant business model, and you can earn an awful lot of money by doing it. But the real leverage? Well, that comes from owning the program yourself. You build something once, then you give hungry affiliates the tools to go out and promote it for you. They drive the traffic, they close the sales, they earn a percentage, and you keep a percentage. Then you grow your email list and you scale your business in the background. It takes a lot more work than standard affiliate marketing, but the rewards can be far, far greater. And it's exactly what I've done inside my brand. I've built a real affiliate ecosystem that rewards people for promoting products that actually help beginners start making money online. And here's the part that might interest you. I'm giving away a full copy of my affiliate marketing masterclass course to one person who downloads the free affiliate starter pack using the link in the description below. We'll pick someone at random. If you want to be in with a chance, then download it now. Okay, now let me break down the exact strategy I would use if I had to start again from zero today. So you can follow the exact same steps and build your first 1K online this year. So let's say that I'm starting from scratch today in 2025. I've got no audience, no leads, no products in the pipeline, but I still want to make that first $1,000 fast and I want it to stack. So here's exactly how I would do it. Step 1. I'd create a simple digital product. Not a full-blown course, just something lean, valuable, and results-driven. Think ebook, mini course, or a 1-hour strategy breakdown. Something like that. Something that you can put together fairly quickly, but has a lot of value. But then I wouldn't stop there. Instead of just trying to sell it myself, I'd then build a system so other people could promote it for me. That means I'd set up a 50% affiliate commission. So it makes it worthwhile for people to promote. If you offer something like 5% commission, then nobody's going to bother. Then I'd build out a plug and play funnel system, something that people can tap into and use easily. I'd write the email sequences for them, so again, everything is super easy to set up and do. I'd then give affiliates the exact tools they need to go and promote my products confidently. That way, instead of relying on my own reach, I'd be multiplying my traffic through others. People out there hustling to make money online would get a great offer to promote and earn well for doing so. And I get paid, grow my brand, and build my email list all on autopilot. It's faster than building a personal brand, it's more scalable than freelance work, and it doesn't rely on going viral, launching some huge course that's going to take months and months to create, film, shoot, edit, all of that. This is the play people tend to overlook. They try to build an entire business completely from scratch, when all they need to do is start with a product, a payment system, and a commission engine. That's the foundation. Product, funnel, affiliates, automations. That's exactly what I've built inside my Mindset for Success Academy. It's not just an affiliate program, it's a whole ecosystem. And if I had to start again, I wouldn't just join one, I'd build one. Okay, let's be crystal clear. I'm not talking about just joining affiliate programs. Being part of a good affiliate program is a great way to earn money. But in this video, I'm talking about a unique perspective that's very rarely talked about. And I'm talking about building an affiliate program from scratch for yourself. You don't need a course empire or a massive brand. You just need something valuable to offer and a system that people can plug into. You don't need a 10-module course. You need a tight, results-driven offer. Something someone can use to get a clear outcome. That could be a 60-minute video class, maybe a tactical ebook, a one-day challenge, or maybe a strategy guide. Keep it simple. The product is your engine. The affiliate program is the distribution network. Build a basic funnel. You don't need anything too complicated here. Just a simple 2-page funnel. On page 1, offer a free lead magnet, like an ebook, a checklist, a mini guide. And on page 2, this is where you introduce your product and the upsell path. You're building a flywheel. Value on the front, offer on the back. It's not about squeezing people for sales. It's about showing them the results before they even spend $1. Now you build the ecosystem. You set up a 30% to 50% commission structure, something that's going to entice people in and make it worth their while. Instant access affiliate links, pre-written emails, content swipe files, and a welcome page explaining how to succeed as your partner. This is where you flip the script. Instead of doing all the marketing yourself, you empower others to spread the message for you and earn themselves money while doing so. Now, here's where it grows. You post in Facebook groups, you reach out to creators, email your email list, or drop short videos inviting people to become partners. You're not saying, hey, buy my stuff. You're saying, here's a system that converts, promote it, and earn a big commission for doing so. That's a whole different conversation, and it attracts way better people. Once people start joining, automate your email follow-ups using ConvertKit or System.io. Give affiliates weekly tips, updates, bonuses. Treat them like your sales team, not just traffic. This is how you scale without a big ad budget, without going viral, and without doing all of the work yourself. That's the power of owning an affiliate program. You create the leverage by giving others a way to win, while your business compounds in the background. So let's say you follow the plan, you create a solid digital product, you build a basic funnel, you launch your affiliate program, and you get a few people promoting for you. That's your first $1,000 easy. It's exciting, but also it's just the beginning. Because here's what happens next. This is where the snowball effect comes into play. The snowball starts to roll and it starts to build up. Your first few affiliates bring in leads. Some of them buy, but even the ones who don't, you've now captured an email, you've started a relationship. You follow up, you nurture, you offer more value. And suddenly, those early leads start turning into buyers later on. And the system starts compounding. Your affiliates talk to other affiliates, they share their results, they recruit each other without you having to do a thing. Your list grows, your brand grows, and the best part of it is, you're not working harder, you're just building smarter. This is what most people miss. They think online income is about grinding for 12 hours a day on content, DMs, or cold outreach. But smart systems don't scale with your time. They scale with other people's momentum. That's what running an affiliate program creates. Distribution without burnout, growth without gambling, and income that doesn't die the minute you stop posting. Once your first $1,000 comes in, your only job from there on is to optimize what's working and recruit more winners. Double down on your top affiliates, run leaderboards, add bonus tiers, make your ecosystem fun to be a part of. Before you know it, you're not just making $1,000, you've built a machine that's bringing in $3K, $5K, $10K a month or more. That's the snowball. Once it's started rolling, it's very hard to stop. Alright, if you've made it this far, then there are two types of people watching this. One, the people who are going to click off, keep chasing random tactics they see online, and hope something sticks. And two, the ones who are actually going to build something. Something that stacks, something that pays you. And if that's you, then this is your time. Grab the free affiliate starter pack below. Inside you'll see exactly how my system works, how you can start yours, and how you can plug into a model that scales with other people's momentum rather than just your own. And don't forget, we're giving away a full copy of my Affiliate Marketing Masterclass course to someone who downloads the starter pack. We're picking someone at random from that list. So the sooner you're in, the better your odds are. If you're ready to stop chasing and start building, then this is your move. Download the pack. Drop me a comment that says, I'm building my system, so I know who's serious and who's actually going to put the work in. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.